It was a funny. Ha ha. I'm losing my mind. Wagga-ba-ba-bo-mo. Why? What's happening? Helicopter, please leave me alone. Oh my god, he just molested that man.
Let's see, what do I want to use this time? That's cool.
Hello?
Yes. Behind you, Raven! I tried. I told you.
Every shot point blank. Envy point shooting.
Oh God. This shit needs to fucking stop! Oh!
Apparently there's a grenade somewhere. Yeah. I didn't. That one? If I looked at a guy, but if it looks like I looked at a guy, but I didn't do anything about the guy, I didn't see the guy, so I didn't look at the guy.
By the power of Allah, I declare you Zimbabwe.
They didn't stand a chance against you, did they?
I'm ready for
Oh,
it,
cool,
don't worry.
I'm rubber banding.
Don't worry about it. He came in swinging like this was fucking Tokyo.
Oh, it's I was gonna say, I don't think the word can really fully express just how much. Yeah, thanks for joining the party.
Oh, now's not the time.
I've got an RPG-7.
Oh no.
I blew myself
He
up.
killed himself.
Chase!
Watch that happen.
Dude, Glassman's ripping ass. No, he's.
It's not a shotgun.
Jesus. What the fuck?
You're still reloading for me.
I'm gonna actively vote for something. Yeah, let's.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's go.
Sorry.
Aven, did you wait? Wait, Aven.
Sorry.
Did
Hey, what? Did that person have Gatorade in their backpack? Oh my, no, it's a
I
bottle of
love
water.
that. I can appreciate that. Oh wait, that's his friend. Ah! Do you remember that game Bulletstorm?
Stop shooting me!